Ready to dive into the exciting world of crypto trading? Let's get you set up on the Crypto.com exchange in a flash. First, head over to the Crypto.com exchange website. You'll find a prominent sign up button. Click it. Now, enter your email address and create a strong, secure password. Make sure your password is a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Then, tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click Create an Account. Crypto.com will send a verification link to your email. Jump over to your inbox, find the email from Crypto.com, and click the verification link inside. This confirms your email address. Next up is phone number verification. You'll need to download the Crypto.com app to continue. Enter your phone number into the app. Crypto.com will send you an SMS code to verify your identity. Enter that code into the app. Now, it's time for identity verification, also known as KYC or Know Your Customer. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. You will need to upload a photo of a valid government ID, like a passport or driver's license. Make sure the photo is clear and all information is legible. You'll then be prompted to take a selfie for facial recognition. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure a successful scan. This confirms that you are who you say you are. Once your verification is complete, this usually takes a few minutes, but sometimes a little longer, depending on volume. You're all set. You can now explore the Crypto.com exchange, browse trading pairs, deposit funds, and start trading crypto. Happy trading! And remember to always trade responsibly.